starting our boat tour on Trang An, and this lovely lady is our guide for today. And these two dudes are my travel buddies for today.
Oh, hello.
So in Ninh Binh, there are two main boat tours you can take. There's the one in Tom Kok, which I believe is with the feet, where the ladies actually row with their feet. And then the one in Trang An where they're just rowing normally. I think the upside of Trang An though is that there's less people who come here, so it's a little less touristy. But I do want to see the feet rowing, so I guess you have to weigh your options with them. We just arrived at a little temple here on our boat tour, and the lady said we have about 5 minutes to explore. So we'll see what's around here, if there's anything cool or if it's just kind of a, touristy spot. The water here is so warm, like legit warm bath water. I really want to go swimming, but I don't see anyone else doing it, so I think we're just on the boat. It'd be the perfect place to, unless there's like river snakes or something I don't know about. We've been summoned back onto the boat. Oh, duck down. Looks like we have another stop coming up. We're not really sure what it is. It just kind of looks like a little island in the middle of the lake, but it'll be nice to take off our life jackets for a bit. Okay, we're exploring this little island now. We got about 10 minutes to walk around before we go find our boat lady again. It looks like this stop is some kind of little village type thing. I don't see any people really here, but there's little huts, and I remember on the map for this route there was something about a little village center, so that's probably it. Here's like a bridge. Apparently somewhere on this route is Skull Island, because I guess King Kong was filmed here, so that's pretty cool. My stomach is growling, but I'm pretty sure there's no food here, or if there is, it is way overpriced. So I'm probably in it for the long haul. I found the overpriced snacks. Got some cheese chips. Actually weren't that expensive, only 10,000 dong. But I'm not sure if they taste good. Back to the boat.
Every time I get on, I feel like the fattest man in the world the way it sinks underneath me. You feel like the central area is really not that big.
This is the Skull Island movie set from King Kong. we gotta walk over that way. So the lady drops us off, and then we walk to the other side of the island to see the King Kong movie set, and then she'll meet us over there to pick us up. For this Trang An boat tour, there are 3 different route packages. The first route has a lot of caves, like 9 caves or something, and I felt like that was a little too many, so we narrowed it down to either route 2 or 3. The guide said he recommended 2, so I was going to do 2, but my group wanted 3, and so far it's been great as well, so I don't mind. I think they're probably pretty similar. They both go to Skull Island. And tickets wise, it's 200,000 dong, so about $10 per person. This is interesting, some type of boat. I wonder if this was part of the movie set. I haven't actually seen King Kong, so I can't tell you. We survived.
We survived.
What did you guys think? What was your thoughts on this tour?
It's pretty epic.
It's pretty awesome.
You'd recommend it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And very hot.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good views.
The caves is pretty cool. I like Route 3. Which one did we do? Route 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah, it was
I think
good.
we had enough cave.
Yeah.
3 caves is good.
Yeah. Okay.